Latest COVID surge, some businesses are now requiring their workers to get vaccinated. And today, a protest against mandatory shots is underway near a PeaceHealth building in Vancouver against such a policy. Welcome to KOIN 6 News at 6 o'clock. I'm Wayne Haverly. Now, that protest is taking place right now near Northeast 87th and 92nd Avenue in Vancouver. A post about the protest says that it was organized by medical professionals opposed to being required to get that vaccine. KOIN 6's Jennifer Dowling is there now with more details on this response to this move that PeaceHealth made a little earlier in the week. Jennifer?
Good afternoon. Yes, we're standing outside the PeaceHealth building here in Vancouver off of Mill Plain, and there's quite a few people here in the crowd. I'm seeing maybe 100 spread out from here over to an overpass. You know, as we were heading in, we saw them waving on the overpass. So quite a few people here with signs. A post on the protest said that this would be going on from 4 to 7 p.m. outside of PeaceHealth Southwest. A nurse who told KOIN 6 about the rally sent some paperwork that they said was from PeaceHealth. It read, "The transmissibility of the new COVID-19 variants requires emergency action to protect our caregivers, patients, and communities. PeaceHealth expects Oregon will align with other states in mandating the COVID-19 vaccine for healthcare workers subject to medical and religious exemptions, and is implementing this policy to address imminent and ongoing threats to public health." Now, that same nurse said there are exemptions to the requirement, but they said they are specific, and the nurse we spoke to claims that it will be hard to get an exemption under the requirement, and they believe people should be able to decline the vaccine based on personal beliefs or personal exemptions. Now, KOIN 6 reached out to PeaceHealth. They did send a statement. We'll get to that in just a second. But we talked to a woman here at the rally who told us that she was concerned that she might get fired if she didn't get a vaccine. Take a listen.
You cannot go ahead and take food from on our table and take food from in our kids' mouth. We are mothers, single mothers, and we work so hard up to this date. We work in the hospitals, we work in homes, we work in communities just to keep lives.
And the rally has been called a peaceful rally by some of those who were planning to attend and support it, and it appears to be so far today. Now, PeaceHealth did issue a statement this afternoon, about an hour ago, that said the rapid spread of new COVID variants and resulting rise in hospitalizations in our communities is a clear reminder that we are facing a public health emergency and we must do more to keep each other safe. After careful discernment, PeaceHealth, along with area health providers Legacy Health and the Vancouver Clinic, joined many health systems across the country and professional organizations, including the American Hospital Association, the American Medical Association, and the American Nurses Association, in supporting the required vaccination of healthcare workers. With hundreds of millions of doses delivered in the U.S. and many months of real-world evidence to draw from, the vaccines have proved safe and effective. We believe it's imperative for our employees who are medically able to get a COVID-19 vaccine. We support the right of individuals to express opinions in an unofficial capacity outside of work. Our priority remains the safety of our caregivers and those we serve. This new policy is a reflection of our mission to promote personal and community health and our vision to make sure that every person receives safe, compassionate care at PeaceHealth. And there was a registered nurse that did come out of the building and wanted to make sure that we understood that not all healthcare providers support this, and they wanted to tell us that there are people working now inside the PeaceHealth building that are vaccinated and support getting vaccinated. So the other side of the coin there from employees at PeaceHealth. Again, this is going on until 7 o'clock this evening, and organizers say there's another one happening at a Kaiser facility coming up this next Wednesday. Reporting live in Vancouver, Jennifer Dowling, KOIN 6 News.
Yeah, Jennifer, PeaceHealth officials say more than 80% of healthcare workers in their systems have been vaccinated. So